Hello, good morning, good morning. We're here now at Budapest and we're going to explore the city today. And this is the hotel that we're staying at. The Hotel Orion Barker, including the buffet. So see the area, it's really cool. Budapest is a Hungary capital city located at both sides of the Danube River. It is a major tourist destination known for its thermal spring in architecture and history. The city was formed in 1873 when the separate cities of Buda, Pest, and Obuda were merged. The country was communist from the end of World War II until 1990, when it held its first democratic election. Today, Hungary is a parliamentary republic and became a part of the European Union in 2004. At the moment, we are on Buda side. The one over there is that Pest side. We're gonna go there later. We're gonna cross that bridge. This is also known as Chain Bridge. You can't pronounce the other way.
Yeah. Sa chain bridge na yan, this left side, Buda. They call it Buda City. And the other side is the Pest. Kaya tinawag siyang
Budapest.
Budapest. Siyang nagdudugtong sa dalawang cities, Buda and the Pest. Ang lapit ng ating hotel.
Yeah, very close.
Yeah.
I think Buda Castle. Maybe that's the Buda Castle.
No, that's not. The Buda Castle is our hotel.
Ah, okay. Barker.
Buda Garden.
Buddha Garden? This is the Buddha Garden. Wanna go inside?
Buda Garden.
Yeah, Buddha Garden.
One time picture that.
Uh,
Ikaw muna, tapos ako.
Ayan po yung chain bridge.
Buda Castle, darling.
Ang Buddha Castle is this one. So we're gonna go to Buddha Castle first. Chain bridge. Yeah. Ayan, isa. Ayan. Yeah, that's the Buddha Castle. So we pay now? Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Now we go up now?
Tanong natin.
We took the funicular tram to go to the top. The funicular has two stations, the lower station at the Chain Bridge and the upper station at Castle Hill. The funicular opened in 1870 and was destroyed in World War II. It was rebuilt in 1986 and it's now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. See, really cool. Yung view niya, ayan o. Wow.
Ganda.
Ganda niya. Sa yung pababa din Yan. Ano? Stick din siya. Ayan, nasa ibabaw po tayo ng ano. Nandito po tayo ngayon. We are here at Fisherman Bastion.
Dito, if you come before 9 o'clock,
It's free. After that, you have to pay. Look. Wow. It's an amazing structure. And that's the one over there. That's the chain bridge. The very famous chain bridge here in Budapest. The Fisherman Bastion is a viewing terrace in Budapest, Hungary, that offers a panoramic views of the Danube River and the city. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most iconic attractions in Budapest. It is located on a castle hill in Buda district to the west of the Danube River, a few steps away from Matthias Church. Ano? Tanya? Yung baby. Daan ako lang. Ano? Ganda ng Budapest. Lahat na pupuntahan namin, magaganda talaga. Talaga iba-iba kaya mas touristic nila. Kaya lang off limits tong area to. So hindi natin mapapasok po, no? Sige. Fisherman Bastion. Ang pambayad. Inuhaw dito. Kain. Refreshing. Refreshment. Yan po.
Yung musical.
Ganda. Ang ganda na ang landscape nila dito. Tahan nyo naman. So, overlooking. Yan po, kita nyo din dito. Yan, mga kanyo na. Oh. Yan o. Yung garden na yan, ha? Dali man.
Wala kasing English ko.
Alright. Ganda naman dito. Lakad dito. Ayan. Ayan o. Entrance ng Buddha Castle. Diyan o. Kaya lang, hindi namin inabot. Ganda dyan. Sayang. Oo ba? Kailangan ng buhay. Ano? Government house.
Yani gölge diye çağırmıştım da tam gölge değilmiş.
This is the chain bridge.
Swoje?
Acolo e Wonderland.
A, uite, parcul de distracție acolo. Am fost la el. Da, n-ai ce pe parcul de distracție. Ce și destul de
Come on, this way.
Ito yung ano,
Yung,
uh,
papasok natin kanina.
garden. Buddha garden.
Ayan na.
Anche mama. Questa è l'aria che becca la
Ang ganda, mahal. No?
Ikuha naman yun at ikos.
Yun.
Buddha garden.
Tayo, baba. Oh, dito, ma. Ayan, oh. Look. Wow.
Dito din metro.
Wow. Ito. Saan ka pa, no? Ito. Ang ganda niya. Tok-tok.
Yun pala yun. Wheeler Kill.
Malin. Ayan, layo, no? Tok. This is the chain bridge. The chain bridge is the oldest suspension bridge in Budapest and is the Danube River most renowned, connecting both sides of the city, Buda and Pest.
Ba ba da ba da ba da ba ba.
nga sa ano nga, no? Accomplish one. O, di ba? Mahal.
Yeah.
Ito. Low tide
Dalawa
ngayon.
pala siya.
Oo. Haba niya, no? Haba, no?
In there, the hall.
Yeah.
Kano?
60.
$68? So, one day yun.
Oh, ano.
Ano yan? Libre lahat o?
Metro na at saka sa regarding sa... Di ba yan meron?
Ha?
Yan ang meron. Ayun yung sinasabi ni kung ano, yung sa yung ano ng Emirates.
Oo. Oh, nagwa-walk-in tour kami. Naghahanap ng makakainan. Ayan, oh, delicate change, ha?
This the baby still there for his contact. Changing it.
Ayun, Burger King.
No, I think I was just very fun.
Diba?
Ito ang ano, passion. Ano.
Oh, nasa city tayo, city center. Ayan, oh. Ayan, Passion Street. Ayan, oh. Sa taas? Ah,
May kaano nakalagay dito, Skywalk.
diba, underground railway nila. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan.
انا الصراحه ما ادخل الا اذا وقفون الشباب. بس خلاص بالوهق شو لعيب هو ها؟ حلف عليه يجلبونه مو ينتبهون هذاك يضرب ينبه حق الثاني ما يضرب احنا ما نقول عند الرقم تعرف شو؟ كفر
Tayo ngayon sa bagong bridge. Ano naman to? White Bridge, Harrisburg. Malapit pronounce ang pangalan ng mga bridge dito, mga words. Ayan na. Ayan ang view niya. Ayan naman. Lakad all day.
Exercise!
Ayan ah. Ganda ho dito. Ayan o, kita niyo yung building? Look that one. That's Parliament.
Parliament.
Yeah, that is Parliament.
Parliament building.
Parliament building.
Sensya na ha. Hindi namin maintindihan yung
Mga salita. Mga ano, basahin.
mga signage.
Kaya pasensya na ha. Tao lang. Ang ganda ho dito. Ayan o. Kita niyo naman.
Kasing English.
Oo. Oo. Kita niyo naman yan. Saan ka pa? Ikutan ko lang siya. Ayan, mahal o. Wow. May another building doon. Ewan ko anong pangalan ng building na yun. Kaya napakaganda ng place.
Doon tayo naggaling
Ha?
today.
Mm-mm.
Sa Fisherman Wharfs.
Ayan, Fisherman Wharf. Ayun o.
Sa other side.
Fisherman Bastion. Ayan po yung side na yun o.
Opposite
May mga toreng matulis. Ang ganda po dyan. Tanaw na tanaw mo yung buong Budapest City.
Diyan ang Matthias Church.
Mhm.
The Buddha Tower.
Aha.
At opposite, ito nga yung Parliament Building.
Mhm. Ano siya? Oh. Yan, Parliament House. Parliament Building. Yan. Konti pa lang ang tao ngayon. Kaya okay na okay. Malamig ang ihip ng hangin sa maga para makapag-igot-igot pa. At marami pa kami i-cover ngayon. Ayan si Mrs. Kaya lakad lang. Tignan nyo ito ah. Yan, di ba? Super.
Napakalaki ng Parliament Building.
Laki na, di ba? Ganda. Ayan. Tama lah. The shoes on the Danube Bank Memorial is located on the west side of Danube Promenade. It is a short walk from the Hungarian Parliament building. The memorial is made up to 60 pairs of iron shoes that represent the Jewish victims who were shot into the Danube during World War II. The shoes are attached to the stone embankment. See that monument over there? That's under restoration. That's the Hero Square. Heroes Liberty Square. It's the ones building of architecture. That one there is the Statue of Liberty, but it's still under restoration. This is a Hero Square. Sayang. Ganda-ganda pa naman. No, nandito pa tayo sa Market Hall. Ayan, ayan. Ayan. Famous market here in Budapest. Ayan, si Chini. Sili? Oh, sili. Ayan. Mama dyan. Alin?
Yan.
Ah? Baka isa gusto mo? Chicken cake.
Meron kayong pistachio.
Fake?
Oh, ang famous chimney cake. They call chimney. Kasi yung hugas niya parang chimney. Yan. Tignan natin kung ano lasa niya. Sige babe, tirahin mo nga siya.
Ito.
Ah.
Wala tong laman. Nothing inside ay kasi ayoko ng ice cream. Pero ang flavor niya, pistachios. Pakita mo.
Ayan. Ano? Sarap. Ano? Ayan ma. Gala lang. Wow. Look at that. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Wow. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa paanan ng St. Gerald Sagredo statue. Ito yung pose niya. Papanik po tayo sa taas. Kasama ko ang aking misis. Ayan ang akyatan, no? Ano yan? Baba. Okay pa mo?
Okay.
Nagpapantalis. No?
Oo. So, hindi na ano. Parang ano na siya.
Oh, yan. Ito pong itaas. Oh, kalagitnaan pa lang. Ayan ang view. Kita nyo naman. Ang ganoon.
No pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain. Ayan.
Ito yata yung kalahati.
Oo. Wow.
Yan, malusang wipe.
Sa halfway na tayo. Ang taas.
Yes.
Ayan. Mga dito ma. Ah. Ha? No, meron pa sa taas. Ano no? Kasi yung statue niya sa taas. Ito maganda oh.
Nasa kalahati ang panangani.
Ganda to, lose weight. Maganda po sa tuktok dito. Andun yung statue na St. Sagredo. Talaga na mapapawaw ka. Ah. Wow.
Yay!
Ito yung statue niya. Ayan o. Ayan. Oh, wow. No, ang ganda oh.